Alright guys, so today we're going to be troubleshooting the car, starting with a spark plug. Now you may be asking, why do I have to troubleshoot the car if I just got the car back? And that is because I think it's misfiring and there's like a vacuum leak. But basically I broke in the diffs, so I was like, hey, let me go do some pulls real quick, you know, misfire cylinder 7. So we're gonna go check that out right now. I want to go buy one spark plug to see if it fixes it. If it fixes it, I'm gonna go and buy the rest of it, of course. But I'm gonna see if it's the spark plug, the coils, or if I just need a new engine, you know. I got some NGK TR6s. These are very popular in the Cobra community. The number for these are 4177. So the cylinder we're gonna have to check out is gonna be, I'm gonna say it's on this one. It's passenger side. It goes 1 through 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're gonna take these off real quick and then we'll check the EGR. I think I should unplug the battery first. Then we just gotta take these off. Should be easy like that. Not too hot today, surprisingly. Normally where I live it'll be like 120. Take this one off too. Pull this one out. Am I weak? I think I am weak. I can't take that shit out.
Later.
There's a fucking clip at the back of it. I don't know how I forgot to do this, but there's nothing in there. And this is just a bad coil pack. Nothing seems wrong with this. Let me pull out the spark plug. I'm really hoping it's a spark plug because I don't really know what else it could be other than an EGR. Damn! Look how this looks. It's like closed off right here. This is how the new one looks. Bruh, that shit is fucking done. Hold on. I'm gonna install this and see if the car does way better. The inside looks pretty good. Cross the fingers that it's just a spark plug right now. So let's go ahead and this one is at 32. Number BR7EF. I think a lot of people recommended these as well, but damn, these shits are cooked. So I'm gonna go ahead with the TR6s just because a lot of people recommend those as well. Put this back. Seems like everything's good. Connectors look good. So I think before starting, I'm gonna go ahead and check all of these. I have to take this one out. Why was that one so hard? Hold up. So we're gonna go to AutoZone. We're gonna go back. I knew I should have bought like the rest. I'm in the Hyundai. But we're gonna head back to AutoZone because we're gonna go buy the rest of the spark plugs that I should have bought when I was there already instead of having to go drive over there. So now I'm making another 15-minute trip to AutoZone. So the camera overheated. I had to put this in the fridge. Does anyone else put a camera in the fridge when it overheats? I don't know. I did that because I do that on my phone. I'm gonna head to AutoZone right now and then pick up the part and then hopefully come back, turn it on, and see if it runs properly now. Let's go. Yeah, I don't know how. I always try pressing the reset button so it could go back to normal. That don't work. And yeah, I don't know how the fuck. I feel crazy driving the car with no music, if I'm being honest. I'm literally just sitting here in silence with my own thoughts, you know? So we just got home. I'm gonna pull in the spark plugs. I'm gonna gap the spark plug real quick. I'll show you guys me gapping that, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it in the car and then turn on the car. But back from the store, I'm changing all of them, obviously. Well, I have the oil separator soon, but I just gonna change it out. So can I pull this out from here? I think I have to take the shield off. 1 second. I'm gonna take this off. Let me see. This is a clean rag, by the way, guys. There's nothing on here. I'm gonna take off this instead. Dude, literally there's oil in here. It's crazy. I'm gonna have to get that fucking oil separator installed in here ASAP. Should I just take them out like that or should I disconnect them one by one? I think I'm gonna disconnect them one by one. I think I'm just gonna do it one by one. Like take one out, put it back in, and then do it on to the next one. I think I'm gonna do it like that. And I'm dumb too. This one looks way better. These are supposed to be good for the car. For some reason, I thought these were for a thread. So when I was recording this, I said this is for a thread when it's not. It literally says boot protector. So put this and then comes in here. I don't know if you guys can see, but we're supposed to add a little bit right here where the boot's gonna be. Spread it around. There we go. Just hand tight in. Oh, come on, perfect. All right. So these are fine as well, so I don't need new coil packs. Should be good. So now let's do these other ones. I might do a time lapse of these unless I start talking about random shit. So this shit keeps getting fucking way. Okay, there we go. There you go. Take these out. Put the setup I'm on right now. So let's add a little bit. I think I need to wear gloves, but fine, bro. Need to grow my hands out, you know, get them manly hands. All right, so we're done with 2 already. After I put these coil plugs in, we're done with 2. So I think I'm just gonna leave it right now because not much to show. All right, we are done. I put in all the new spark plugs. We're gonna start it up. Hopefully that was the only issue that was with the car, because if not, then I'm gonna just see what it is another day. But hopefully it's just the spark plugs. I think I have everything plugged in the battery, the intake, stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead first and delete the codes that are already there, just so when we turn it on, it hopefully shows other codes. So I'm hoping this works, because damn, it's hot as fuck in this car. Holy shit. Damn, I look white as fuck too. Bro, it's hot as fuck out here. Hold up. I'm gonna switch it to vehicle functions, turn her off, and then cross our fingers. I think that fixed it. So it should be chopping right now, but it's not. So that might have fixed it. Oh no, it's still chopping a little bit. So we're gonna let the car run for a little bit. It's not giving me any code. It sounds like it's going back to normal a little bit, but I'm not too fucking sure because it's still like rough idling. I'm not too sure. It sounds like it's good. I don't know. I'll pick up the camera right now once everything's figured out. I don't know. I just took a shower. As you can see, my hair, I don't know, my hair. I wasn't really able to find out what really was wrong with the car. I'm not ending the video either. I'm gonna see if I could fix a problem. If I can't fix a problem, and my last spark plugs I had were like B7 or B3 some shit, I don't know, but they weren't, I think they were in GKs, but they weren't the V-Power TR6s. I'm not really too sure. It might be because of that. So I'm gonna call my tuner and then go ahead and ask the question, because the last spark plugs were gapped. I want to say I gapped them at 30 was what he told me, gap them at 30. So I think my last spark plugs were gapped at 30, and then I tuned them with the 30 gap. So I don't know if that could be the issue as well. Maybe it is something with the EGR. I'll have to check that out, but I just got too tired already, bro. Alright guys, so it is the next day, and I took all of yesterday and all of this morning to think about ways to diagnose the car. Basically I came up with 4 things, ways to diagnose it, and basically I just took the check engine and then I looked it up and just found ways how to diagnose it. I think the first way I could diagnose it is by coils, changing the coils around and then seeing if the misfire follows. If it follows, then it's a coil pack. Number 2, checking the EGR solenoid just by replacing it. I'm just gonna replace it, see if that fixes the issue. 3 is the fuel rail pressure sensor. Probably just replace that as well, see if that fixes it too. I don't have really anything that could test that's working properly, so I think I'm just gonna switch it, because that's where I have a check engine light for, the sensors on both. And then the last one, I really don't want to do this because it could give me the worst results. It is a compression test. And basically I came up with that one because the way the spark plug look, I can show you guys right now how it looks. Here it is, the spark plug that we pulled out. You guys can see how burnt this shit looks, and around these edges it's not even smooth. It's like kind of bumpy. My finger kind of gets stuck around this. So what I was thinking is that this is the worst possibility that could happen. So here's the pressure sensor, pressure gauge set up already. I'm gonna leave all of these on. I don't know, I saw a video, and hopefully I don't have a burnt piston or anything like that. So we're gonna go ahead. I disconnected as well the fuel pump relay, which goes here in the first one. Foot all the way in, clutch. We're gonna go ahead and test that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're getting 150. All right, we are now testing cylinder number 5. So I unplugged that, have this. After this, we're gonna do cylinder 7. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you guys saw there, it's 150 as well. So if it's not 150, I am going to be very sad. Cross our fingers and hope for the best. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fuck, man, I'm so scared to look at it. You guys probably saw it already, but I'm so scared to look at it. I don't want to look at that shit. Oh my god, no fucking way. No fucking way, right? Maybe I have it plugged in wrong, right? Okay, this tight. Let's do this one more time, bro. Please don't fucking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bro, no fucking way, bro. It's fucking great. I think I'm gonna take time, think about what to do next with this. I don't know, man. This shit just fucking sucks. I haven't driven this car in 4 months. Just my luck, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna end the video here. Time to go look for motors, I guess. Hopefully I find something good, you know. So as you guys saw, piston, I don't even know what's wrong with the piston. It's most likely the piston, that's bad. I think I'm just gonna put it in the garage for now and just reevaluate life and shit. Yeah, well, it's done for now. I'm gonna fix it, obviously. It's gonna be a pretty penny. I'm already start looking up for new engines to replace it, and then once we replace it with the new engine, I'm gonna hopefully build this one from top to bottom, you know. That's the goal at least now, to rebuild it. Yeah, shit happens. It's all good though. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.